Right, so I would like to share with you this little experiment using some playing cards. Just going to give them a bit of a shuffle. This is quite an interesting one. Just using actually just a few cards. We only need, let's see, that one, take that one, those ones, I suppose. A couple of those. So we've got some red cards and some black cards. And this is a bit like oil and water. I'm sure you've heard that a classic kind of science experiment that they can't actually mix. So what you would do, you would take 4 red ones, 4 black ones. Take a red one, then a black one, red, black, red, black, red, black. Mix them up. Obviously you can still see that they are indeed mixed, but the moment you leave them alone for a bit, it takes about 4 seconds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's 4 cards. You should see that these are now indeed all of the red cards. And these ones here are now all of the black cards. I'll show you that again, but I'll break it down, make it a bit easier to follow. So if you just get rid of one of each, so now we just got 3 reds and 3 blacks. Take a red one, a black one, a red one, a black one, a red one, a black one. Leave for 1, 2, 3 seconds, because it's 3 cards. You should now see that it will separate it again. I'll break it down even further to make it even easier to follow. Get rid of another 2 cards. So this time we've got it down to the bare minimum. Just 2 black cards and 2 red cards. So we take the 2 red ones like this, mix them up with the black ones. So we've got red, black, red, black. And this time, because there's only 2 cards, it takes only about 2 seconds. You can see that it have now separated again. When they say though that oil and water can't actually mix, it's a bit of a lie actually, because they can mix if you take the cards like this, I mean with the red ones on top of the black ones, nothing in between the black ones. And if you stick them like this and you shake them, you can actually see how they actually begin to mix. So you got red, black, red, black. And that's just with a couple of cards. The interesting thing there really is when you leave the deck alone for, well, some time, this should have worked as well. So first spread these. You can see that they are now separated into blacks and reds.